Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Oil prices will continue to stay high as production constraints look to keep crude supplies tight, according to the world's top energy giants. There is more upside than downside when it comes to the oil price, Shell's CEO said. Shares of smaller US companies are outpacing a rally in the broader equity market as they draw investors looking to scoop up cheaply valued stocks and those betting the group has already priced in an economic slowdown. Japan's yen surged and is on track for its biggest weekly rise in 4 months against the dollar, on bets that US interest rates are nearing a peak after data showed the world's biggest economy unexpectedly contracted in the June quarter. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.5% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The US ISM manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The Dutch Market Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's military base at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.